Hi viewers, welcome to Damilola's kitchen. Before we start, I would like to tell you that you should please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Damilola Olaleye on YouTube. And when you subscribe, please turn on the notification bell so that you can see all of my videos. And please like, comment and share. Tell everybody you know about Damilola Olaleye's kitchen. Today we will be making kokoro. In English it's called corn snack. Now let's get started. I will list all my ingredients first. This is the corn flour I will be using. This one, if you are Nigerians or Africans, you will know this corn flour. We use it to make our swallow. But if you don't have this kind of corn flour, you can use, I just have a little bit in this place. You can just use this one. This is it. You see that one, this one is not smooth like this one, so you can use any one that you have. This is the brand. You can use this one, or you can just buy this one. You can just buy this semolina from anywhere. You can see it anywhere. So you will now start cooking. You put your water in the pot first. You make sure that the water is boiled before you add the corn flour to the pot. Make sure you add your salt. This is the salt. Use all this salt because you're using a lot of sugar, and you will add your sugar to it. Add sugar to your taste and salt to your taste. Then make sure they are completely warmed up, so that we can add our flour to the pot. Now we will add it. If you add everything at once, it will have lumps. But if you add it a little by little, it will not have any lumps in it. So let's get started. You see? Then you'll be mixing it little by little, little by little, little by little. Make sure it doesn't have lumps. You mix, you slow down, you still mix it, you can add everything, you can have lumps. Now you can see the consistency. You see, it's really hard, so you will have to add water. Just a little bit first, then mix everything together. Because when you leave it to cool down before you start rolling it, it will be hard if you don't add water that is enough. Mix it, add water to the pot, a little by little. I would like to turn my stove to the lowest part so that it will not get burnt or stick to the bottom. Because add it. See how I'm mixing it. Add the water to the pot. This is the last water I will be adding. Now you see that I add water to it so that you will make sure that it's cooked before you stop stirring it. Make sure that it's very, very cooked. I will cover it now with the cover.
Okay.
Now it's already done. You see how it's so thick. Let me put my hand so you can see. You see how it's thick. Now it's done. I'll turn off my stove. You allow it to cool down before you undo it. If you don't let it cool down, you may burn your hand. Let it cool. Now this is our dough. This is it. It's already cooled down. You see, I can touch it. It's not hot. So you will now grab a little bit at a time. See, you do it this way. This is it. Then you try to massage it first. Then you will roll it. This is it. You see, I make little one, big one. You have to add oil or flour to the surface so that it won't stick to it. See, this is it. So now we will roll it. Roll it very well. This is it. Roll it, roll it. Roll it very well. Now we have rolled out everything. We'll fry it. Before we fry it, I'll have to explain. Let's go to our stove. This is my oil. It has already get hot. You can use any. You can't just use any oil that you like. You can't use extra virgin olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or calina oil. But don't use extra virgin olive oil. If we use that, it won't make it taste good. Now we will try to test one so we can know maybe our oil is hot. You see? You see the bubble? You see the bubble? You see the bubble? Now we will now put it to it. The reason why I can take it like how I'm taking it is because I add oil, small oil to it when I'm rolling it. That's why. If you don't add oil to it, you cannot roll it. You cannot. It's not roll it. You cannot take it out and taking it like that. You just be taking it one after the other. We will allow this one to fry. When it's fried, we will show you. Add it to it. The reason why I can take it like how I'm taking it is because I add oil, small oil to it when I'm rolling it. That's why. If you don't add oil to it, you cannot roll it. You cannot. It's not roll it. You cannot take it out and taking it like that. You just be taking it one after the other. We will allow this one to fry. When it's fried, we will show you. Add it to it. The reason why I can take it like how I'm taking it is because I add oil, small oil to it when I'm rolling it. That's why. If you don't add oil to it, you cannot roll it. You cannot. It's not roll it. You cannot take it out and taking it like that. You just be taking it one after the other. We will allow this one to fry. When it's fried, we will show you. Now, this is it. It's golden brown. This is golden brown. Now it's done. This is it. This is it. This is it. It's done. It's cooked. It's delicious. I'll taste one of them so that I can see it. Let me break it first. The inside is done. It's crunchy. Not sure when you fry it, let it cool down before you taste it. It's delicious, it's tasty. Thank you for watching my video. Bye and God